inflammation and swelling in our bronchial tubes, that is air passages, which makes it is harder to breathe. Along with the symptoms, asthma can cause from day to day. It can also damage airways and lungs. Even mild asthma attack can cause long-term problems. But its symptoms can be cured with proper guidance, with proper medication, with proper exercises and breathing in a right and correct posture, with pressure points and with diet. There is no need to control diet, but one should take precautions if one has asthma. It has been said that when there is imbalance of Vata, Pitta, Kapha, then problems such as insomnia, depression, asthma, hypertension arise. Through Vata, 80 disease occurs, through Pitta 40 and through Kapha 20. Pranayam is the best medication for asthma. Today I will show you all the pranayam, but the one which is very important for asthma, that is Suryang Pranayam, Suryabhedi, Suryang Pranayam. All the pranayam you have to do to complete the sequence, but this Suryang Pranayam is important for asthma patients, as well as there are some pressure points, some asanas which I will show you. If you all want to join me, you can do it. Otherwise, you can do it while sitting on chair also. But one thing is
energy, asthma, because of allergy, dust allergy,
yes.
causes the inflammation
In airways.
also this will help.
Yes. Number 1 is Brastika Pranayam, second Kapalbhati, third one Kriya and Bahya Pranayam. For asthma patients or those who are suffering from allergies, they should do any one, either Bahya Pranayam or Agni Kriya. Either one. We will start from Brastika from 2 to 5 minutes, but very slow. All the pranayam should be done very slow. First one is Brastika Pranayam. You will all do. Do it very slowly. Inhale. Slowly exhale. First inhale properly. Take 3 to 4 seconds for inhalation. Do it very slow. Take a deep, long breath. Inhale properly from both the nostrils. No need to retain your breath. And similarly, exhale Take a long deep breath, very slow. Don't retain it. Inhale and exhale. Relax. Only your spinal cord should be straight. Now second is Kapalbhati pranayam. For asthma patients or patients having allergies, start with only 30 counts, then gradually increase up to 60, but do it on a slow pace. Then again 30 strokes. Strokes. Now we will do for 5 minutes. We will take 300 strokes, but very slow. relax. We did 300, we did for 5 minutes. This way one should do 180. No, I did 300. Okay. Now one should do Agni Kriya, either Agni Kriya or Bahya Pranayam for asthma patients. But I will show you both the pranayam. One is Kriya and one is Pranayam. Agni Kriya. Breathe in, inhale, exhale, but don't exhale forcefully. For asthma patients, they don't have to exhale forcefully. Exhale and then only you have to move your abdomen. One more time. In the morning, if you will do, the count will be 100.
After exhaling, you have to hold.
Bahya Kumbhak. Bahya Kumbhak.
And then do it.
Then do it. Now Bahya Pranayam. First inhale, exhale, Jalandhar Bandh, Udyan Bandh and Mool Bandh. Sorry? After doing for the second time, you have to calm your breath, then start for the repetition round. Once more. Now we will do Anulom Vilom Pranayam. Make this mudra. Inhale from the left nostril, exhale from right nostril. Then inhale from the right nostril and exhale from the left one. Don't hold your breath. No need for breath retention. Inhale and exhale. Inhale from Chandranadi, exhale from Suryanadi, then again inhale from Suryanadi and exhale from Chandranadi. No retention of breath. This completes one cycle, one round. Inhale, exhale, then inhale and exhale. At least do it for 2-3 minutes. By exhaling from left nostril, one should stop this pranayama. Left. Now we will do Bhramari for 3 times and then Udgit for 3 times. In Bhramari pranayam, inhale, put your fingers, this thumb on your pinna, the Madhyama finger, middle one on the eyes, index finger on the eyebrows. Inhale and like honeybee, how it sounds, you have to exhale. Now we will do Udgit Pranayam, Omkar Jap. In this also you have to inhale, and while exhaling, A, O and Ma, you have to sound Om. Take your hands up, rub your palm, put your palm on your eyes, then slowly open your eyes, make a cup shape of your palm, then put on your eyes. By this way one should do the pranayam. But one thing is important, while doing pranayam, your back should be straight. Now we'll do Ujjayi pranayam thrice, but for asthma patients, they don't have to hold the breath. Others can hold. For asthma patients, only inhale and then exhale. While inhaling, you have to do Akunchan. Now see. Do it half. Yeah, tongue. This will clear the blockages inside the bronchial tubes, airways. This will make the lungs stronger and clear. Now, one important pranayam for asthma people, Suryang pranayam, Surya Bhedi. This is done through right nostril. Inhale from right and exhale from the left. There is a count of 27. One should do for 27 times. No need to retain breath. Inhale from the right nostril and exhale from the left. Suryang pranayam, Surya Bhedi pranayam is done from Surya Nadi. But do it very slow. Take a deep, long breath. Do it very slow. Take a long deep breath and then exhale also. The way you will breathe, you will exhale. Don't do it fast, do it very slow. Twenty-seven times.
Ending.
Ending from the yes.
27 times once a day or
One sitting, once a day. This is the important pranayam for asthma people. Now I will tell you some asana. You will do light asana, a Sukshma Vyayam for hand exercises. This is important for everyone, but for asthma people, one can avoid also this pranayam. If they don't have time, it can let go. Otherwise, there are asanas: Ardha Matsyendrasana, Vajrasana, Supta Vajrasana, Matsyasana. All these asanas are important for asthma people. We'll do some light hand exercises. Inhale and exhale. While inhaling, your hands will go up. While exhaling, your hands will come down. Anti-clockwise. Similarly, while inhale, down, and while exhale, up. While inhale, your hands will be down. While exhale, up. Now clasp your hands. Through palm, you have to give pressure to your medulla and medulla to palm. While inhale, you have to give pressure. While exhale, relax. Similarly on the forehead. Temple. Now rotate your shoulder six times. Inhale, your shoulders will go up. Exhale, come down. But do it very slow. Anti-clockwise. Now only shoulder. Now there are three important asanas, sitting asanas. One is Ardha Chandrakar, one is Ardha Matsyendrasan, and the third is Ushtrasan. Camel pose, crescent moon, and fish pose. First I will show you Ardha Matsyendrasan. Similarly from the second opposite side. Inhale, retain your breath. Exhale, this is Ardha Matsyendrasan. Then Ardha Chandrakar. Inhale, retain your breath, open your eyes and look up.
Going down, breathe out.
No, you have to retain your breath. This is Ardha Chandrakar. This is crescent moon. Now camel pose, Ushtrasana. Inhale, retain your breath. While coming up, you have to exhale. This is Ushtrasana, crescent moon. Yeah, try. Your posture is wrong. Toes, yes. While inhaling, look up. Yes.
Back pain versus pain.
Yes.
Right pain.
For back pain also. For the
Posture was right.
posture was right. For Ustrasana, your toes inside. For Ustrasana, you have to give a gap. Yes. Your toes inside. Toes inside. हाँ. Now we will do Purna Matsyendrasana. Matsyasana for asthma people. This is beneficial. For this, this is Matsya.
You do Padmasana very easy. Very easily.
You can also do if you do it regularly. You yes.
Breathing, when you are going down, breathing out.
No, you have to hold your breath.
Breathing in.
Yes.
Is that right?
Yes, try.
Very good. Next, हमारा क्या है?
For lower back.
अच्छा, this is good for back.
For back also. Now similarly, while we have done yes, this is Purna Matsyendrasana. Inhale, retain your breath.
अच्छा, पद्मासन में ही ऐसा होता है।
हाँ, पद्मासन में ही ऐसा. For thyroid also. You asked something?
Should we hold the breath?
Yes, yes, you have to hold your breath. For minimum for 5 to 6 seconds. If you can't hold your breath for longer, you can hold your breath for thyroid also. Both.
20 seconds.
You can hold up to 1 minute.
I can raise up to 20.
These are few important asanas for asthma people. Now we'll show you some pressure points. Tip of the finger are sinus points. You have to press your tips for 2 minutes at least. One tip for 2 minutes. But give pressure. This one. Tip.
So, both the
Both the hands as well as feet. This one, ring finger, but you are seeing the mark here above the mark. This is nose clearing blockage. When there is a nose blockage, one should press this point. Yes, this one here above the mark. Both the hands, left and right. This is kidney point, center of the palm. But press it little harder. You should feel the pain while pressing. This is cuff point. This one. This one. From both your index finger, press here. Press here and press this Agya Chakra. Third eye. From your index finger, press your cheekbones. You can press like this also. Here, 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 here and here. These are the simple pressure points. There are many pressure points, but these are very simple so that you can be accustomed and you can do it on a regular basis. Now, important thing is diet. For asthma people, they are recommended that they should eat very light food 2 hours before sleeping. No milk, plain milk, no plain milk. One should add turmeric powder, haldi powder or salt. no curd. Lots of fruits and vegetables, leafy green vegetables, colorful fruits, because they have antioxidant properties. Because antioxidant properties, they act as an agent, because there are free radicals in our body which cause the constriction of capillaries, bronchial capillaries and bronchial arteries. They control the act of free radicals so that our symptoms of attack could not occur on a regular basis, because even mild asthma attack cause damage to our lungs and airways. Then there is mustard. One should include mustard, mustard seeds, mustard sauce, mustard oil. In mustard, there is an element known as beta carotene, which helps for allergies, because we have many types of allergies: dust allergy, pollen allergy, many types of allergies. Then I will tell you one ointment. See, I have written it. 5 to 7 leaves of tulsi, 1 or 2 clove, 1 small piece of ginger. Bring it to boil in 1 glass of water. Then drink it once a day. Once a day. Make half, yeah. Yeah. हाँ, 1 glass of water, 5 to 7 leaves of tulsi, because tulsi is mercury, Hg. 1 or 2 clove plus half ginger. 1 small piece of ginger, bring it to boil in a 1 glass of water, make it half of water and drink once a day. Then there is one ointment which we make for asthma people. Peppermint 50 grams, 50 grams of kapoor desi, we get in a market, desi kapoor, 50 grams of ajwain, 5 grams of long, 50 ml of eucalyptus oil. Eucalyptus oil. Make this oil to rub on chest, nose and back for cold cough. Oil, externally oil. Yeah, this will make, you have to make a oil of this and rub it on the chest.
No, you have to boil it.
No. Ah.
Cook it in the oil.
Yes. Then one should include omega-3 fatty acids, which is known as good fat, because it helps for allergies. We get allergies from not only from dust or from pollens, but we get allergies from while clearing our household utensils, or dusting or mopping. When we do at home, we get cold and cough. One should include onion, garlic and ginger, because these are all antibacterial, antiviral, antiparasitic, and it prevent cold, cough, sinus. Because in human body cells we have a chemical known as histamine, which makes our bronchial tubes narrower, hard to breathe, allergic, infectious. Histamine. By adding mustard sauce or mustard seed, or by inhaling mustard smell, mustard plant, this histamine can be broken and we can come through the allergy point. These are the basic but important ingredients to be added in our regular day-to-day life to feel better and healthy. One should do pranayam. Pranayam is the best medication for asthma people. There are medications outside, but pranayam, when we have our own breathing capacity, we have capability to do this, one should do it on a regular basis to avoid these chronic ailments. Thank you very much for coming.